Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about healthy meal preparation ideas that are perfect for busy people who want to stay on track with their healthy eating goals. Meal prep can seem daunting that protect your health, but with these effortless ideas, you'll be able to prepare delicious and nutritious meals for the entire week without any compromise on health issues. We will show you how to make a variety of dishes from breakfast to dinner that are easy to prepare and packed with healthy ingredients that boost your health. You'll learn how to create balanced meals with plenty of protein, veggies, and healthy fats, as well as how to make sure your meals stay fresh and flavorful throughout the week. Some of our favorite meal preparation ideas include overnight oats for breakfast, veggie-packed quinoa bowls for lunch, and roasted veggies with baked chicken for dinner. We will also show you how to make healthy snacks, like energy bites and homemade granola bars, to keep you fueled throughout the day. By taking a little bit of time to prepare your meals in advance, you'll be able to save time, money, and stress throughout the week. Plus, you'll be fueling your body with all the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and energized. So, if you're ready to start meal preparing like a pro, be sure to watch this video and let us know which recipes you plan to try out for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy eating inspiration.